New York City, a captivating blend of architecture and energy, unfolds its majesty from various vantage points. Explore the cityscape from its soaring towers, iconic bridges, and scenic park. Join us on a journey through the top 15 viewpoints, each offering a unique perspective that encapsulates the essence of the city that never sleeps. Number 1. Top of the Rock Observation Deck. Located atop the Rockefeller Center, this iconic viewpoint offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the city skyline, including landmarks like the Empire State Building and Central Park. Time your visit for sunset to witness the city transform into a glittering panorama. Number 2. Empire State Building Observation Deck. Soaring above the city, the Empire State Building provides an unforgettable experience with its observation deck. Marvel at the city lights at night, or enjoy a clear day view that stretches across the boroughs, making it a must-visit for any NYC trip. Number 3. One World Observatory. Situated atop the One World Trade Center, the observatory provides a poignant view of the city and harbor. Learn about the city's resilience and history through immersive exhibits while enjoying stunning vistas that stretch from the Statue of Liberty to the Manhattan skyline. Number 4. Brooklyn Bridge Promenade. Take a stroll across the Brooklyn Bridge and enjoy stunning views of the Manhattan skyline. This vantage point offers a unique perspective, especially during sunrise or sunset, as the city lights twinkle against the backdrop of the East River. Number 5. The Vessel at Hudson Yards. Ascend the spiral staircase of the Vessel for unique perspectives of the Hudson Yards and the surrounding cityscape. This modern landmark provides an interactive experience, allowing visitors to capture striking photos from various angles. Number 6. Statue of Liberty Crown. Climb to the crown of the Statue of Liberty for a close-up look at this iconic symbol and sweeping views of the harbor and city. The experience combines history and unparalleled scenery for an unforgettable visit. Number 7. Top of the Empire Hotel Rooftop Bar. Sip a cocktail while enjoying unobstructed views of Lincoln Center and the Upper West Side from the top of the Empire Rooftop Bar. This chic venue offers a relaxed atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for both tourists and locals. Number 8. The High Line. Elevated above the streets, the High Line Park provides a unique perspective of the city. Stroll through beautifully landscaped greenery and art installations while taking in views of the Hudson River and the surrounding architecture. Number 9. Dumbo, Brooklyn. The neighborhood of Dumbo down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass offers breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline and the bridges connecting Brooklyn and Manhattan. The cobbled streets and waterfront parks create a picturesque setting for capturing the cityscape. Number 10. The Met Rooftop Garden. The Metropolitan Museum of Art's rooftop garden not only features rotating art installations, but also provides a stunning view of Central Park and the Manhattan skyline. It's a peaceful escape with cultural and visual delights. Number 11. Gantry Plaza State Park. Located in Long Island City, Gantry Plaza State Park offers postcard-worthy views of the Manhattan skyline along the East River. The park's piers provide a perfect vantage point for capturing the city's reflections in the water. Number 12. Central Park Reservoir Running Track. Jog or walk along the Central Park Reservoir's running track for a serene viewpoint surrounded by lush greenery. The skyline views from the track create a harmonious blend of nature and urban landscapes. Number 13. Queensboro Bridge Promenade. Walk or bike across the Queensboro Bridge for a unique perspective of Manhattan's East Side. The promenade provides stunning views of the city's skyline, especially during the evening when the lights illuminate the skyscrapers. Number 14. Staten Island Ferry. Take a free ride on the Staten Island Ferry for unobstructed views of the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and the Manhattan skyline. This classic New York experience offers a scenic journey across the harbor. Number 15. Williamsburg Bridge. Connecting Brooklyn and Manhattan, the Williamsburg Bridge offers a pedestrian path with panoramic views of the city. Capture the energy of both boroughs as you traverse the bridge on foot or bike, taking in the skyline and East River below. New York City, a captivating blend of architecture and energy, unfolds its majesty from various vantage points. Explore the cityscape from its soaring towers, iconic bridges, and scenic park. Join us on a journey through the top 15 viewpoints, each offering a unique perspective that encapsulates the essence of the city that never sleeps. If you enjoyed this visual odyssey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, and may your love for the Big Apple continue to reach new heights. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos.